Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to identify a business entity. Think of it as a social security number for your business. It's crucial for various tax-related activities and is often required to open a business bank account or hire employees. Understanding its purpose is the first step in the filing process. So, who exactly needs an EIN? If your business operates as a corporation or a partnership, you absolutely need one. Additionally, any business with employees, regardless of its structure, must have an EIN for payroll and tax reporting. Certain types of trusts, estates, and even some nonprofit organizations also fall under this requirement. Even a sole proprietor might need an EIN if they plan to hire staff or file specific excise tax returns. Applying for your EIN is a straightforward process. The quickest and most convenient method is to apply online directly through the Internal Revenue Service website. This digital application typically takes about 15 minutes to complete, and you will receive your new EIN immediately upon successful submission. Alternatively, you can apply by fax, mail, or even by telephone for international applicants. Always double-check all your entered information for accuracy before finalizing your application. Before you begin your application, gather some key information. You'll need the responsible party's Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Be ready to provide your complete business name, mailing address, and the physical location if different. You'll also specify your entity type, such as a sole proprietorship or corporation, and the primary reason for applying, like starting a new business or hiring employees. Having these details ready will make the process smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.